In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose a project template in Lovable. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user looking to streamline your project management process, picking the right template is crucial to kickstarting your work efficiently. We'll focus on how to navigate through the Lovable platform and select the best template that suits your needs. Let's dive in. To begin, you'll start off by accessing the Lovable dashboard. This is your main hub where all your projects and options are available for you to manage. So head over to your browser and log into your Lovable account. Once you're logged in, the first step is to click on the dashboard link. You can find this at the top of the page, often in the navigation bar. Clicking on the dashboard will take you to the central control area of your Lovable projects. Once you're on your dashboard, the next step is to locate and select the Lovable templates. Don't worry if the screen feels a bit overwhelming. It's designed to offer you all the necessary tools at a glance. Look for a section titled Lovable Templates. This section is typically highlighted or set apart from the rest of the interface to make it easy to spot. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with its layout because you will often come back to choose or modify templates. Clicking on Lovable Templates will bring up a collection of pre-designed templates. These templates are crafted to save you time and provide a solid foundation for various types of projects. The great thing about these templates is their adaptability. They're suitable for different industries and purposes. Whether you're managing a team project, organizing an event, or embarking on a new business venture, there's likely a template to help you get started. As you browse through the list of templates, take your time to explore each option. Pay close attention to the description of each template. It will give you an idea of what the template is best used for and how it might fit your project goals. Some templates are more detailed, including built-in milestones and task lists, while others are more general, providing a broader framework for you to customize. Feel free to open several templates to see more detail. This will help you compare their structures and functionalities. Remember, the right template can make a significant difference in keeping your project organized and on track. Selecting a template in Lovable is mainly about exploring what best fits your current project demands. Once you find a template that looks promising, simply click Use Template to integrate it into your project. This action will set up the framework according to the template you've chosen, allowing you to quickly input your specific project details. So that's all there is to it. By navigating to your dashboard and exploring Lovable templates, you can efficiently kickstart your project with the right groundwork. Thanks for watching and happy project management.